Hello, and welcome to SynSysCo's Product Studio. This session is about the Kashiyama line of NeoDry multi-lobe dry pumps. SynSysCo is the United States distributor for the sales and service of these pumps, and we hope that this video gives you a good overview of the 7 models that make up the NeoDry line. The NeoDry line comes with a 2-year warranty on each pump. This warranty assumes 24/7, 365 operation. And in regard to service, Kashiyama suggests a 3-year maintenance interval. However, our customers typically experience much longer service intervals than this, many of whom have seen service approaching 4 to 6 years of continuous duty without any maintenance required on the pumps. The Kashiyama line of NeoDry pumps is also air-cooled. So if you have a water shortage in your area, or you're looking for LEED certification of your facility, or simply trying to reduce consumption because of the cost and the need to conserve, these are excellent pumps for replacing water-cooled pumps. The Kashiyama line is also a dry pump, meaning there are no oils or lubricants in the vacuum path, and consequently all of the risks and costs associated with an oil lubricated pump are eliminated. You do not have to worry about backstreaming of hydrocarbons. You do not have to have N2 traps in front of these pumps on a 4-line, and you eliminate all of the costs associated with demisters and cleaning and hauling away oil as a hazardous waste. The pumps are also non-contact, meaning that the lobes are rotating in close tolerance to the housing. However, there are no seals involved there, and consequently, you do not have things like tip seals or other types of sealing that would create particles that could backstream to your process. Consequently, you don't have to worry about contaminating sensitive instrumentation or valve seats or possibly even your product. The next feature of the family is that they handle very high concentrations of condensable vapor. The smallest pump can handle up to 120 grams per hour of condensable vapor, while the larger pumps can handle up to 600 grams per hour of condensable vapor. This also includes cleaners such as IPA and acetone, which are frequently found in cleaning your chambers, or perhaps you're actually degassing them from a process. These pumps are excellent for that process, and they can accommodate those vapors and water very easily. All the pumps are also inverter driven. So they have an inverter that can support you in 50 or 60 hertz environments. So for an OEM, they are excellent in that once you have a customer that has qualified a process, they will not be experiencing process changes if indeed they're running the process in one country at 50 hertz and in another country at 60 hertz. Now let's talk about the individual pumps in the NeoDry family. The NeoDry 7 is the smallest pump in the family, and it can handle about 120 grams per hour of condensable vapor. It is a nominal 4 CFM pump with a 37 millitorr base pressure. You can see that we have the pump equipped with an atmospheric ballast. This ballast is available on all of the pumps. And if you do not have any flammables and you just simply need to sweep out condensable vapors, this is an excellent way to purge the pump. Additionally, the atmospheric ballast can be removed and another ballast installed which can accommodate clean dry air or high purity N2. And that, of course, is used for your toxics and flammables where you may be purging into an abatement system. The next pump in the family is the NeoDry 15. The NeoDry 15 is a 9 CFM pump with a 7.5 millitorr base pressure, and it can handle about 250 grams per hour of condensable vapor. The next pump up in the family is the NeoDry 30. The 30 is an 18 CFM pump with a 7.5 millitorr base pressure and a 350 gram per hour vapor tolerance. Again, it is available in 120 single phase, 220 single phase, or nominal 208, 240 3-phase. The next pump in the family is the NeoDry 36. The 36 is a 21 CFM pump. It can handle 350 grams per hour of vapor. It has a 7.5 millitorr base pressure, and it comes available again and 110 single-phase nominal voltage, 220 single-phase nominal voltage, and 208 240 three-phase nominal voltage. Next in the family is the NeoDry 60. The 60 is a 35 CFM pump with a 7.5 millitorr base pressure. It comes available in the 220 volt single-phase version and in the 208 240 single-phase version. It handles 600 grams per hour. Next is the NeoDry 100. It is a 60 CFM pump with a 7.5 millitorr base pressure, available in 200 single-phase nominal voltage or 208 240 three-phase nominal voltage, and it handles 600 grams per hour of vapor. Last in the series is the NeoDry 300. The 300 is a two-stage pump with a blower and a base pump, both air-cooled. It is a 175 CFM pump with a 3.5 millitorr base pressure, and it is available in 200 volt single-phase and 208 240 three-phase. So this makes up the entire family of the pumps. Please click on any of the single videos at the bottom of your current video. By model, you can select either pump, and we'll have a more in-depth discussion of how it compares to other rotary vanes, other dry pumps, and the various applications that are available. We also have features addressing the gas ballasting on these pumps, and we also have some inlet valves with time delays for restart on critical products to protect your four-line in your process. So please visit us at whichever pump is of most interest to you. Thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you again in our next SynSysCo Product Studio video.